This is our Parks Flow machine. We will be using this in the Vascular One lab to do physiological examinations on each other. As you can see, the remote that you'll need is located over here to the back of the machine, and we'll go over some of the other components. So we have our PPG probes right here, so we can do our photoplasmography, and we'll use those to get waveforms of the upper extremity and lower extremity digits, so we can do pressures or waveforms. On this side of the machine, you'll notice we have our continuous wave Doppler pencil probe up here, which we'll use to get waveforms to analyze the waveform morphology, and we'll also use these with our blood pressure cuffs to get different pressures of our lower extremity and upper extremities. On the back end of this, we will have all the tubing that you will need to hook up the different cuffs when you're using those to obtain pressures. Right here is the sensor for the remote, and you'll have to point it directly at that. Unfortunately, it's not like an Apple TV where it's Bluetooth. It's kind of finicky, so you'll need to point it directly at that each time you're using it. As you can see here, we have a keyboard. Over here for our knobs, this will help us change the baseline up and down, and this is our size, so we can adjust larger, smaller waveforms. We also have a volume knob, so we can turn this up when needed. And over here for our plasmography, when we're doing PPGs, arterial is what we'll be doing for our Vascular One lab. We'll have our gel here, and in the drawers below, we'll have all our different size blood pressure cuffs that we'll use for lower extremity segmental physiological testing. And the drawer above here, we'll have our double-sided tape or clips for our PPGs. And for doing digit pressures, we have all the different size digit pressure cuffs underneath the machine. So that's just a very quick orientation of the Flow Parks machine and some of the different components that we have on it.